I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 7-Eleven app. All you have to do in the first you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here until you found apps. You click on it. You come to apps list until you're looking for 7-Eleven app. You just click on it. Or just click on search. Then here at 7-Eleven it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to this list here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store here. You search here for 7-Eleven. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.